Hello everyone, welcome in my channel ASP.NET Core. Today I am going to show you how to show connected clients with the hub in Signal R. So just go to the section of notification hub that is created in the previous video tutorial of the Signal R getting started. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to get connected client and also remove client details. So you have to see that just go to the hub class, go to the definition. Here we have on connected async as well as on disconnected async method. So you have to override these methods. So here we have public override, and here we have on connected as well as on disconnected async methods. So public override async task, and here we have that show notification on connected async is an async method that return task. A written keywords must be followed by an object expressions. Did you intended to return a task? Okay. So just you have to say that how in which you have to add a simple connected users. So just you can use here we have a class in the model section that is connected user, and the connected user class is a static class. Here we have a list of IDs, so string of list of IDs there. So you have to use connected user dot IDs dot add what the context. Actually I want to add in the file. The context is related to the hub. So you have to say that in which you can pass context, and each context with the hub is separate. So context dot connection ID in which you can pass. Okay. So and the base dot on connected async method is used, in which you can say on connected async, that is the public override async. Okay, async task is there. So connection ID is there. Okay, so it's a simple task you can say. And if you want to delete async method, then return those things. Okay, now after that you have to use public override and these method on disconnected async task, and in which you have to pass the remove users from the connected user class, that is the static class. IDs dot remove what context dot connection ID. Just I want to remove connection IDs. Okay, so that is the simple task you have to say, and in which the server controller add a viewBag object, viewBag dot number, how much user connected with the hub. So you have to use connected user dot IDs dot count property. So there is count property in the viewBag, and in the CSHTML file client dot and the server dot index dot CSHTML file, in place of notification you have to use @ viewBag dot number. Okay, so just started this application where you get all connected as well as disconnected clients. So there is the first client actually, so just open it in the separate window. So server and index page, here we have 0 clients. Just when we open that page, client index page, there is a one client actually. So here is one client, and just copy and paste in the new browser. There is the second client, so you have to say there is a two clients. If you want to remove this clients, there is a one client. So you get how much client actually access your hub. So this is the simple demonstration of SignalR. So on connected as well as disconnected feature, disconnected method. So you can override these methods, those methods. Okay, so there is the on connected async as well as on disconnected async. Thank you very much for watching this video.